Sabi dito sa binabasa ko,
Hi, Jazz.
anong ginagawa mo dito?
What do you mean? Lagi naman akong bumibisita whenever you're here, diba? Galit ka pa rin ba sa akin dahil sa issues ng parents natin? Pero we promise sa isa't isa na magiging solid tayo no matter what happens, diba?
Sure. Pero that was before I saw you nakayakap si Sander.
I can explain, Jazz.
Yun na gusto ko siya, Ash. I told you to take care of him habang nagpapagaling ako. Not steal him from me.
I swear, Jazz, it's not like that.
Then what is it?
Yung lumala yung sakit mo. Nung nagkagulo yung family natin, may mga times na I felt like my world was falling apart. Nandun si Sander. He had been a great friend to me, Jazz.
Just leave.
Ano bang magagalit ka sa akin just because...
You know what's more heartbreaking? It's the fact that when I was falling apart, you had Sander. I had no one.
That's not true, Jazz.
It is! Ginagamit mo lang yung sakit ko, yung gulo ng pamilya natin para magpaawa at makuha si Sander sa akin. Because you liked them all along pala. You're just like your mother. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.